Hey guys, let me show you what I got so far. So I'm enclosing this area by the back stoop. I got one pole in. I attached the fence that didn't have a pole, and this is going to be our gate. And I made our gate a little extra wide. It's almost 4 feet, just in case we need a tractor or something. You never know. And then I dug a pole right next to the porch railing, and it's snug. And then we're going to run our fence right here because I had to enclose that, otherwise the little dogs will escape. Yeah, they'll escape. So we're ready to put on our fencing from the corner of the house to this pole right here. And I need to go get my fence clippers so that we can cut the length that we need. All right, so we're doing really good. And I have to tell you guys, I had to dig down through 8 inches of three-quarter rock, and then it went to pea gravel, and then about 1 inch of dirt, and then sand. Oh my gosh, yeah, it was very compacted too. So, but I got through them both, and that rock actually helped strengthen this post even more. So we're fortunate. Even though it was unfortunate, I had to dig through it, but we got it through. So, all right. Yeah, this is going to be really nice. I don't have to worry about the dogs coming through the front part of the property to go investigate and see what the neighbors are doing. So, yeah, Emery's over there checking out his girls. But if I come back a little bit, you can see it's almost a 4-foot section of a gate, and that's good because we want a little extra wide in case we need to, eventually we're going to get a rider, but I don't know if it's going to be on this property or our next property. So, but just in case, we made it extra wide. So, all right guys, let me go get my clippers and we can cut the fence to fit. Okay guys, so let me show you what we got. So, and it's really kind of hard to see, but you can see I attached the fence so that the kids won't go underneath it. And we use this railing as a post to help support. And then we attach to our gate post. It looks really good. And then I'm going to make the door the same height as the post. So, yep. She's almost done actually. Yeah. And it went really fast. The hardest part was digging through the gravel. So I'm going to go get my saw and my miter stuff so that I can make the gate, guys, and we'll get back to you. Okay, guys, so I'm pre-drilling the bottom of my boards so that my screws can go in farther. I'm using these are coated deck screws, which they help with to keep from rusting. So I pre-drilled them out, and I'm going to try and sink them probably about half of the board so that they'll go in the frame pretty well. So let's see how that goes. Good morning everybody. So last night pretty much we ran out of daylight, and let me show you how we did. So I got the door made, and I screwed it in from the bottom and from the top and recessed it here to make it nice and flush. And then I instead of using wood, I decided to use gate. Yep, I decided to use gate for the door to make it stronger, so that it would kind of flow kind of seamlessly. And what I'm planning on doing is putting a board across the fence right there to kind of give it a little extra strength. And we got our hinges on last night, and it worked really good. And our latch is on, and it pops open by itself, and then it just closes with ease. So I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it looked, I kind of messed up a little bit and didn't, what happened was the hinges that I got were smaller than what I had anticipated on needing. But when you're looking at it from this way, it's okay. It looks like a nice garden gate. One of my posts I dug deeper than the other, but that's okay too. And yeah, Alicia came out. Yeah, I was running out of daylight, but we got her done, and I'm pretty happy with it. Our gate is extra wide. It's over 4 foot, so I'm pretty happy about that. And all you have to do is pop the latch and it swings open. So very, very happy with that. And I had to put an extender board on it because our gap to the gate was too wide. But I think all in all it turned out pretty good. He's not going to go through that, and neither will any of the other dogs. So I'm just happy that it's done, because they always try to go toward the road and it scares me so bad. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. Quick DIY fence gate. And yep, we don't have to worry about the kids going towards the front of the road. Man, that traffic is really loud, and I apologize, guys. Alright, so there we go, all done. I'm so happy. And then we can use our extra fence to go across start going across the back. Yep, and they will all be all inside, and I won't have to worry about it when we let them out, where they're going or what they're doing. So I'm pretty happy about that. Hello, ladies. Yeah, even the girls, they went to bed before I was even done. Yeah, they were all out watching me and talking, and then I ran out of daylight and they went back in. They put themselves to bed, and the mosquitoes came out and attacked me. But all right, that's all done. I'm so happy that section of the yard is complete. Ooh, the flies are biting. Yep, so that's good. And if you look down the fence, we still have enough to mow and everything. Yeah, it looks great. Looks great, right, Nene? Yep. I gotta keep them corralled up, so the grass is all wet this morning, so. Alright, guys, thank you for tuning in to the front of the fence and gate. Sorry I ran out of daylight yesterday, but we had quite a few projects that I did. I did these 2 projects yesterday before I started on the gate, because I definitely wanted to get these done first. I had to build this little lower tunnel, and I used the plastic that was on this from the first one to that one, because I didn't have enough plastic to cover the front. So, but we got that all done, and I cut a new piece of plastic for our tomatoes. And when you look down in here, man, you can see them babies just growing in there. It's fabulous. Yep, just fabulous. Very happy. Very, very happy with that. Alright, guys, thanks for tuning in. And there you go. You have the easy DIY gate and fence enclosure. And it's cheap, too. That roll cost me that's a 50-foot roll by 4 foot. It was only $36, I believe. Yep, $36. And I got the fence posts for free. So it really only cost me, a latch, which was $3. The hinges were like $2.18. And that $36 roll to finish the front. Some of the wood I had to buy 2 2x4s. And yeah, so pretty cheap all in all. Anytime you can go cheap, it's a win-win situation. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.